You Australian crocodiles. We got another car here. We're gonna do it with the oil pan. See that? Had a little leak. There's a TSB on that, but this one, like I said, isn't covered. We're also doing a boot, but I don't know if you guys want to see that or not. That's actually aftermarket. Quite odd, but all right. Oil looks brand spanking new. Got some of this oh yeah, toss that out. Now Miguel, do you torque every drain plug down? Of course, why wouldn't I? It takes literally 2 seconds. We got these 10 mil bolts. We're gonna go ahead and zap off, and then that's it. Really straightforward. Brand new socket with a magnet in it. Change the game. Change the game. Sick. Now I've had a couple of you guys message me asking for help with your cars and stuff. Honestly, I'll do my best and try to help you guys, but I'm shit at what I do, so there's only so much I can do to help. Love tap there. One of these, clean all this shit up. One of my buddies here used to make fun of me because I used to use a lot of Fitbit, and just because I was paranoid. Huh? You're gonna feel it? Where?
Right in my ass.
Oh my god. Here we go. No, fucking up. You guys are making me nervous. And yeah, 7 foot-pounds, crisscross, whatever the fuck. Well, actually, no, it doesn't have me do. It has me do like this one, and then go in the circle. But let's do that, and then yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching or whatever. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Boom.